My name is Haydn Mortimore. I'm studying the VRQ Level 3 in Professional Cookery at BCoT College of Technology. Today I'm going to take you through a dish I designed and cooked for a unit on my course called Dish Development. The dish I chose to do was pistachio coated smoked duck breast with pistachio dust, potato fondant, blackberries and seasonal greens. To create the dish I first looked at ingredients that were in season and came up with duck and blackberries. I believe seasonality is important because it reduces air miles, supports English produce and gets the best produce at the best time. Now knowing the main two ingredients I wanted to use, I needed to decide what to do with them. So I chose to smoke the duck breast as I love the natural flavour you get from smoking. With the blackberries I decided to make a puree and thickening of Ultratex as it gives a different texture to the dish. I also decided to macerate some of them to achieve a complex flavour from such a simple ingredient, such as blackberries. After doing this, I had to start looking at the veg to go with the dish and also the sauce. So for the veg, I decided to look at seasonality again and came up with Brussels sprouts and ruby chard. But I wanted to do something different with the Brussels sprouts than just boil them, so I decided to shift them down with the ruby chard as well and fry them up with some lardons and some shallots to give more flavour and more elements to the dish. I also served a potato fondant as well on the plate, as I had no starch so far. For the sauce, I used a basic veal stock and then reduced it down in the pan I fried the duck with some red currant jelly and some red wine. To finish the sauce, I added some blackberries to give a fruity flavour to the rich sauce. After making the dish, I came to the conclusion that it was lacking texture and a bit of colour. This is when I decided to add pistachios in the form of putting crust on the duck and also putting a dust on the dish to add a colour. When producing the dish for my classmates, the feedback I got was outstanding, so I hope the dish now to go on one of the menus at college to be served in the restaurant.